Hello friends, today we will learn how to do multi-line editing and how to select multiple words in a one go in VS Code. So we are using the shortcut keys in order to select these. Like we want to select container, start, quiz, question and some of these IDs in a one go, then we need to use Alt key with selecting all of these. We have selected all the words that we need and we are using now alt tab is released, control C for copying, and then we are pasting it in quiz.js and we have pasted it. Now we got to know how to use multi-selection. Now if we want to do multi-line editing, we want some text to be present in all of these lines. We need to use alt similarly like we did for the selection. Alt, then place the cursor wherever you want the changes to be made, and then you can leave the release alt button and then type in whatever you want to type. Okay. Now we want to make these constants and document dot get by id. Okay, and now we want to name these constants. So this is how you do it.